Last year, I did spoken word poetry at Kew Garden during the after hours of Madagasikara Voakajy Festival. And one of my poetry was called Madagascar is not a movie, but a country. And yes, it was a very funny title and people laughed. But it's mainly is to celebrate Malagasy people, the cultures and tradition, and also Madagascar's biodiversity, the fauna and flora. And at the end of the poem was that how Madagascar needs protection. And then I found Madagasikara Voakajy. So my name is Val Brown, and for those who know me here, call me Val. And I'm Malagasy, a poet, and I work with children, but also a member of Anglo-Malagasy Society and a trustee of Money of Madagascar. So this evening, through my words, I will impart Madagasikara Voakajy into your heart. Madagasikara Voakajy. A seedling once, now a tall tree. Madagasikara Voakajy, Chachen Tsingertona, happy anniversary. 20 years in conservation, Arabine, congratulations. So when I talk to my friends and family, and we all agree that Madagasikara Voakajy's work is a noble cause with a caring hand for Madagascar, our country, our ancestral land. A verdant hope for a bright future of Malagasy people and their nature. Madagasikara Voakajy, an award-winning organization, watered with passion, maintained with devotion, a multidisciplinary team, united with a common vision and common dream, across the land, surrounded by sea, protecting Madagascar natural heritage and rich biodiversity for you and me. Whilst striving for local people's livelihood improvement and fostering sustainable development. Up north, southwest and east, where Madagasikara Voakajy stands, waving the national flag, championing endemic species to survive, and the ecosystems to thrive, making a change, making a difference, not only through research and science, but hand in hand with local communities, playing a vital part in the art of restoring the natural habitat, planting trees, planting hope, enhancing forest covers, shoulders to shoulders, guarding the protected areas, patrolling together. Wind whispers, forest talk, Madagasikara Voakajy walks the walk. Lemurs dance with a joyful grace, but roost peaceful in their sacred place. Local people are empowered with knowledge and resources to live in harmony with nature every day and to manage their natural resources in a sustainable way. In Lake Itseni of calm serenity, shy pinstripe fish swim wild and free. Baobab trees are now honored and cared for. In return, communities benefit from their fruits, nutrients, steady incomes, bringing smiles and more. Montella frogs shimmer in golden and bright. Felzuma frankies, once fading, return to the light. Thousand chameleons, verdant hues, also reappears. Thanks to you, your support, and the communities near. Those amphibians and reptiles made it through from critically endangered on the IUCN Red List to simply endangered. What an amazing shift. A turning tide, Madagasikara Voakajy's pride. A triumph, a success, inside the forests, green and blue. Mangabe Reserve, Nuspeanal and 1002. A mission fulfilled, that's so true. Although poverty, famine and climate change, especially in the deep south, forcing family to displace, living from hand to mouth, pressurized to grow more food every day, how to find money in every way, clearing forests, pushing trees away, expanding farmland where habitats lay, threatening endemic species fade away. But with your support and collaboration, Madagasikara Voakajy can do more. With their determination in conservation, the heart of their mission, and together we can turn the tides, create a lasting legacy for future generations with purpose and pride. Sudatuk.